Good morning and welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you all having a great day. Today we're going down to Point of Rocks. We're meeting up with a couple buddies of mine. We're gonna be going down there and shooting like an edit video for the truck, so that should be pretty fun. So I'll take y'all along for the ride. I'm getting her all washed up right now, get her shined up for the pictures. So yeah, so I already got like most of this done, so I gotta do the rest of the front and the other side and then the wheels and all that stuff, so should be good. Yes guys, I use a brush. Don't get on me. I literally hear everybody saying like, oh, that's so bad. Like, no, they're soft bristles. So plus it's a freaking truck. It's not like a supercar or anything. It's not gonna hurt anything. So let's get back to washing. And just like that, it's all washed up, looking all nice. So all ready for the photos, so I gotta get rolling. We'll see you in the truck. All right, we're all out here right now at the site. We're doing like the photo shoot slash video edit. So we got it posted up next to the train tracks. We're gonna get like a couple roller shots. I have Bailey here taking the whole edit for me. Jackson and Luke and Brooke tagged along. So we're gonna see what we can get into and hopefully not get in trouble. No. What, am I just filming you? What's he doing?
Film you, because then we can use this.
Yeah.
Oh, you better hurry up.
Get up, Dave.
That was the smallest train I had seen.
We literally just made the train, getting it on film. Like literally I was like flooring it to the back, like backing it up, flooring it, and it was only like 4 carts on it. Like I've never seen that before. What are they doing? What y'all doing, bro? Oh my god. Luke, bro, be careful where you step. You might go through, bro.
That's happened before. Me and Jackson went in the house and Ben fell through the floor.
This is nuts, bro.
It just smells old. That smells Siegs. Oh,
what
no,
is this?
Look up there.
There's boots in here.
Walks out. Yeah. And Frank is time to come out the attic.
Yo, somebody's been here. There's McDonald's in here.
I know what.
Bailey's doing his thing, man. Lick it. Bailey, I'm pretty sure that's not legal. Who's gonna stop? Nobody's gonna stop you. All right, we're headed out to, where are we going? The drag strip? It's like a drag, it's a road though. All right, we're gonna go get rollers there, so we'll see you when we get there. Here comes the train! That's so cool! The track's moving. That's so cool. No, we didn't get in there. No. We're gonna be here for a while. It's we literally jinxed ourselves, bro. We were like, that thing was like 2 inches, and then this one's like gonna be like forever. Yeah, we definitely jinxed ourselves. Hello.
It's not even close to stop.
No. Oh my gosh, man. This is like... We're gonna be here for a while. Oh. We got the end, boys. We got the end. Huh? We got the end. Drive the truck over there. There's literally so many good spots here, though. Like literally, the railroad tracks are like right over there. This is awesome, though. Okay, over here, there's a bridge. Bro, he's literally got the roller car, bro. Like, you can go prone in that, Bailey. Bailey, get in that all prone position, bro.
I'm going to. He's gonna hold me back.
That's awesome. But look at this big man. He's all the way in. He's all the way in. Oh my gosh.
I fit good too.
Oh my gosh.
No way.
Bro, yeah, that's perfect.
It's gonna get cold.
Yeah.
It'll be a little cold.
Brookie. So they're gonna get rollers on the street right here. It's like a really flat road and straight road, so not many people go on it, so they said it's a good area for it. So I'm excited to see how this turns out. Aren't you? Aren't you excited? Totally, where were we at? Where can you drive on the opposite side of the road? Australia. That's where we're at. Look at them in the back. That's awesome. Bro! Luke! That's so funny. No, don't go left or right. Thank you. I'm back. Whoa! They were like, what the f? We just got some really cool shots over there. Let's hear a rev, buddy. Dude, that sounds so good. Oh my god. What is it? A catless downpipe, you said?
Yeah, catless downpipe.
I gotcha.
Twin turbo and 63.
I gotcha. Yeah, dude, that sounds nice. All right, last destination, right?
Yes, sir.
Last place. All right, see you there. Good. Here's the aftermath. Oh my gosh. That was our field. Don't worry. I'm not. We're totally allowed to do that. We're allowed to do that. It is literally cake. I just washed it. I just washed it. Hey, that's so fun though, bro. Like, I don't even care. Oh, it's in the rim.
Is it?
It's in the wheel. Oh my gosh.
Dude, I want to drive Jackson's BMW.
I do too. Jackson.
Jackson, can I drive the BMW
No.
down the road and back? Can I drive the car down the road and back?
Oh, can I get next, bro? Can I get next? You can drive the truck. You can drive the truck. I'll let you drive the truck. Heck yeah, bro. All right. He's gonna let me whip it, so that's gonna be fun. Holy crap, dude. That is nuts. That was awesome. I'll throw in the Spore. Dude, you can feel that boost, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Holy shoot, dude.
Downshift.
Ow.
Actually, yeah, here.
Oh, manual?
Yeah.
What is down? Is forward, up, down?
Yeah. Just don't
And
RPM too
barely
high.
tap the gas. Barely tap the gas.
Like extremely light.
yeah.
Like just like you gotta like.
Like not even on the gas.
It's only being like on the gas.
Oh, I got
If
you.
too
I got
much.
you.
Cause like if you just
Turn
you
around.
really-
Just turn on right here.
Sure. See, look on the so when you RPM like that, it's not like you're like pushing the gas. You're literally just going like this,
I got you.
like barely tapping it.
Holy crap, dude. That sounds awesome. I hope there's no like biker up here, because that girl was like that kind of.
It's like you have to like barely tap it just a little bit, and it'll pop. Yeah.
Alright, stop.
I wasn't gonna wreck.
I'm just making sure, bro.
Jackson's like, oh my god, my car. Dude, this thing is sweet, bro.
Dude, I want one so bad.
This is sweet.
Do you want me to drive it back and I can rowdy it for
You're
you?
good behind you.
Huh?
I can give you guys a ride and I'll do some pops for you.
Yeah, bro.
Got you. I'll get us some pops first.
Alright. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude. That's 55. That's 55. We got flicked off Valley. Bro, that is awesome. Dude, you can feel when that boost
Dude,
kicks
when the
in,
boost
bro.
kicks in,
Oh my
yeah.
gosh.
I was
I
driving.
thought I had turbo lag. God. Oh
Dude, the freaking
This thing is nuts,
like,
bro.
fart that it does.
It's
Yeah.
so good.
Oh yeah, when it gets going, yeah.
Like this one is just like. I have it down so well. It's just like finesse, like.
Dude, that is nuts. Here goes launch. Holy crap, dude. Holy crap.
Oh, you can feel it when it grips.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, it's like shooting your seat. Oh my gosh. This thing's awesome, bro. Sounds so good.
Oh my gosh, dude.
That is disgusting, bro.
It has to be in there, bro.
Okay.
Bailey, what was that like? Dude, that was probably.
Wait, did you see Jackson and I both flick you off?
Dude, oh my gosh, bro. That's awesome. Jackson's driving now. This is so weird being on this side, bro.
That's crazy.
Dude, it does. It's just so much slower now though. Like, I'm just like, come on, go. I have like all those boost parts for it. I just want to get them on.
Yeah, that's gonna be sweet.
Oh,
It feels like there's like a dead zone in there.
Yeah, there is. There's like an inch or so slop in it. We had to like kind of fix it. When I got it, it was like really bad. Like you could move it like at least 3 inches of play, but other than that, yeah. And then there's a little squeak in it, but. There we go. Just go for it. Just go for it, bro. Okay. Yes, sir. Who cares? That sounds so good on this side. The lightsabers broke! They broke the lightsaber! Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, dude, it's not as fast, but it makes cool noises. Woohoo! This is weird being in this seat.
Do I get next?
Huh?
Do I get next?
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bailey, thank you. Thank you, Jackson. Thank you, Luke. Thank you, Brooke, for coming along. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys and have a great day.